Hi YouTube. This last week has been good and I'm on track with my timeline for the project. I've looked into ImGuizmo because I believe the look of your tools will affect your mindset. I found a tool called ImThemes that comes with a few nice themes and lets you modify almost every parameter. I really liked Moonlight, but decided to modify the colors a bit towards blue. The exported result is in plain C++ code that I could easily paste into my project. Very nice. The next feature for my engine is transform hierarchies, which I'm going to be implementing now. I enjoy the way that Unity handles game objects and object hierarchies, where each game object has a set of components and a list of children. I aim to achieve something similar. My solution has two matrices, world and local. When one of them is changed, the other one is calculated and the result is propagated to the children. To minimize the amount of code, all transform changes are wired through the setWorld and setLocal functions. For example, setWorldPosition will get the world matrix, change the position, and then set the world matrix again. There are two advantages to having the world matrix in addition to the local matrix. All world space getters are faster, and you can take a shortcut when calculating the child world matrix by using the parent world matrix. In this clip, you'll see that I've added some debug drawing that helps me visualize the objects. The capsule is the player collider and the sphere is the camera. You might also notice that the transform hierarchy is in fact not working. This clip is 30 degrees from being not safe for work, but at least the hierarchy works, when the matrices aren't flipping out, that is. Dealing with rotations and translations is not easy, but it's easier with a gizmo. I decided to implement ImGuizmo, a neat extension to ImGui. I struggled for a while with a really strange physics bug, where any collider that touched this specific cube would fly into the air. After some pondering, I realized that the way I used to think about physics objects would no longer work, now that the collider could exist further down the hierarchy than the rigid body. I had to spend quite some time rewriting how my project interacts with physics, but it ended up working pretty well. While at it, I also implemented collisions for cube volumes. And with that done, I've almost reached my milestone. I have to work a bit more on physics callbacks and the default shaders, but after that I'll be ready to make some gameplay, and I'm really looking forward to that. Alright, I'll see you next time.